Alright, we're at the end of this build. The project is the rebuilding of a Hygain DX88 7-man vertical, 80 metres through to 10, and it will do 6 metres at the SSB proportion of the band. Alright, so the problem with these antennas, if they've been up for a few years, is that all the brackets stretch and they become very loose. We're talking about these brackets here. These are all new, so I've replaced all the brackets. I've also run, and you'll see in the photos that I've attached, I've run the ground radial system. Actually got a good VSWR before this across most of the bands. This is the 80 metre matching or shunt coil. There's been a lot of repairs done to this by myself, and I'm very happy with the result. It's working quite efficiently. Now, a lot of you will disagree with how I've done the ground system, the radials, but it is what it is. And just to giving you a wide shot of my back garden, that's it. So to be able to do this and get it to work effectively is the challenge. So I'm very happy. I'll attach the photos of the rig blaster analysis, and this is just a temporary installation until I get the right pole to put into the earth and follow Hygain's recommendations. And here's Ava. Say hello, Ava. And very happy. Gets me back on the air. Alright, thank you very much. Remember, comment, like and subscribe.